Just regular green grass again. Where are all the colorful flowers?
Most people think running a kids animation channel requires a full studio, animators, editors, voice actors, and weeks of production. But then you look at channels like these. Simple 3D cartoon videos, getting thousands, sometimes even millions of views consistently, without showing a face, without complicated storytelling, and without huge budgets. And honestly, most of these animations are actually very simple. Cute characters, bright colors, smooth movement. That's it. But here's the real problem. Creating consistent cartoon animations is still frustrating. You jump between tools, generate random characters, lose consistency, fix broken scenes, and spend hours trying to make everything feel connected. That's why most people quit before they even upload their first video. But what if you could create an entire faceless kids animation workflow inside one platform? From generating the character, to animating it, to extending scenes into full videos, all without touching complicated animation software. That's where Dzine AI comes in. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a viral-style 3D cartoon animation using the latest Seedance 2.0 workflow inside Dzine AI. We'll create a cute animated cow character, turn it into a smooth cartoon scene, extend the animation, and build the foundation of a faceless YouTube channel step by step. And the crazy part? You don't need animation skills. You don't need a team, and you definitely don't need expensive software anymore. After clicking the link in the description, you'll land on this page. And honestly, this is where the magic happens. Inside Dzine AI, we have a huge collection of powerful AI tools, all built into one platform. Things like image-to-image, chat editor, consistent character, lip sync, image-to-video, text-to-image, community styles, instant storyboard, face swap, enhance, text-to-video, local edit, virtual try-on, insert object, AI eraser, and much more. But for this video, we're going to focus on one of the most powerful workflows for faceless animation channels, text-to-video. So just click on text-to-video. Now this is where we add our prompt. I'll use something like this. A heartwarming 3D cartoon animation of a cute mother cow and her playful baby calf walking through beautiful green hills during golden sunset, colorful flowers swaying in the wind, butterflies flying around them, soft clouds in the sky, cinematic depth of field, vibrant colors, magical children's animation mood. Now for the video model, we have multiple options available here, but I'm going with the latest Seedance 2.0 model because it gives much better motion control and more consistent animation results. After that, I'll adjust a few simple settings like quality, duration, and aspect ratio. And now, just click Generate. Within a few moments, the video is ready. Let's play it. And honestly, this already looks like something from a real kids animation channel. The lighting feels soft and cinematic. The movement looks smooth, and most importantly, the characters stay consistent instead of breaking apart between frames. This is exactly why workflows like this are becoming so powerful for faceless YouTube creators. But normally, if you wanted to extend a video like this, you'd have to jump to another platform, create another account, buy more credits, and restart the whole workflow again. But honestly, that's the powerful part about Dzine AI. Everything is already built into one place. As you can see here on the right side, we have tools like lip sync, sound effects, video modify, motion control, video in painter, and video extend. For this project, I'm going to use video extend, and now I just need to describe how I want the next part of the animation to continue. I'll use a prompt like this. Continue the story as the baby calf starts chasing butterflies across the green hills while the mother cow slowly follows behind. Warm sunset lighting becoming softer. Detailed environment. Peaceful ending scene. Now I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and click Generate. And instantly, Dzine AI starts building the next part of the animation without breaking the style or character consistency. Within a few moments, the extended scene is ready. And this honestly feels like a complete animated sequence now instead of just a short AI clip. The transition stays smooth, the characters remain consistent, and the environment continues naturally without needing extra editing software or complicated workflows. And once everything looks good, I can simply download the final result, and it's ready to upload directly to YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or any faceless content channel. So yeah, this is probably one of the easiest ways to start a faceless animation channel right now using AI. You don't need animation experience, expensive software, or a production team anymore. With tools like Seedance 2.0 and Video Extend inside Dzine AI, you can go from a simple idea to a full animated story in minutes. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and start experimenting with your own cartoon videos. And honestly, this is probably just the beginning of what AI animation is about to become.